The Transport Museum in Withall, Worcestershire approached us to reverse engineer and manufacture 2 head gaskets for installation in a Birmingham City Transport Daimler CVD6 bus, which operated in the Midlands from 1951 to 1969. Having discussed the materials and build with the client, the original head gasket is scanned as a guide. Precision measurements are then taken, plotted on the CAD system and compared to the original scan. The head gasket comprises 3 layers, 2 outer copper layers and a thin filler layer of non-asbestos material. The CAD layouts are sent to our in-house 60,000 psi water jet cutter for precision fabrication of the copper layers. The non-asbestos filler layer is a graphite composite with excellent compression characteristics. CAD layouts for the filler layer are sent to the CNC knife table machine for cutting. Prior to the final gasket assembly, a number of processes are carried out, including deburring the copper layers. A press former is used to indent the bottom copper layer, creating eyelets that are used to seal the gasket. The final process involves combining the 3 layers and hand finishing using a traditional technique. We were delighted to be involved in this interesting project and look forward to seeing the vintage Daimler CVD6 bus back on the road. Thanks for watching. Read the full case study online.